Hello everyone. Welcome back to Sephia Spaces, where we explore the world's most inspiring luxury homes. If you're passionate about modern architecture, premium living, and breathtaking house designs, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next home tour. Now, let's begin today's incredible house tour. Today's home showcases a stunning modern futuristic brutalist design. Bold geometric forms, dramatic angular lines, exposed concrete, black metal finishes, and expansive glass walls create a striking architectural statement. Warm wood accents and soft lighting balance the bold exterior, giving the home a luxurious yet inviting atmosphere. All photos in the video are used for visual and inspirational purposes. Front facade immediately captures attention with its sculptural architecture and dramatic triangular rooflines. Large cantilevered volumes appear to float above the landscape, while premium materials like charcoal, concrete, black steel, and floor-to-ceiling glass create a timeless luxury aesthetic. Every angle offers a unique architectural perspective. Entrance foyer. The entrance creates an unforgettable first impression. A large pivot door, dramatic lighting, and a double-height foyer welcome guests into a bright and luxurious interior. Premium materials and clean architectural lines instantly showcase the home's refined modern character. Living room. The living room features soaring ceilings, expansive glass walls, and a spacious open layout filled with natural light. Comfortable designer furniture, elegant stone finishes, and warm ambient lighting create a relaxing environment that's perfect for entertaining family and guests. Living and entertainment area. Designed for everyday comfort, the family room offers a warm and intimate atmosphere. Soft lighting, premium furnishings, and large windows create the perfect place to enjoy movie nights, conversations, or quiet moments while maintaining the home's sophisticated architectural style. Home office. The private home office offers a quiet and inspiring workspace. Floor-to-ceiling windows, premium wood finishes, and custom shelving create an elegant environment that supports productivity while enjoying beautiful outdoor views. Master bedroom. Inspired by five-star luxury hotels, the master bathroom features a freestanding bathtub, spacious rainfall shower, floating vanity, and natural stone finishes. Soft lighting and premium materials transform the space into a relaxing private spa. Second bedroom. The second bedroom offers comfort without compromising luxury. Elegant furnishings, warm lighting, large windows, and refined materials ensure visitors enjoy the same premium experience found throughout the home. Children's bedroom. Designed with flexibility and comfort in mind, the children's bedroom provides a bright, functional, and welcoming environment. Built-in storage, a study area, and modern finishes create a perfect balance between play, learning, and relaxation. Bathroom. Inspired by five-star luxury hotels, the master bathroom features a freestanding bathtub, spacious rainfall shower, floating vanity, and natural stone finishes. Soft lighting and premium materials transform the space into a relaxing private spa. Walk-in closet. The spacious walk-in closet resembles a luxury fashion boutique. Custom cabinetry, illuminated display shelves, premium finishes, and generous storage provide both organization and elegance for an elevated daily routine. Kitchen. The open-concept kitchen combines beauty with functionality. A large marble island, sleek black cabinetry, premium built-in appliances, and warm lighting create a luxurious workspace. Every detail is designed to make cooking and entertaining effortless. Dining room. Positioned beside the kitchen, the dining room becomes the heart of family gatherings. A long designer dining table, elegant lighting fixture, and panoramic outdoor views create a refined setting where every meal feels like a fine dining experience. Backyard. The backyard completes the home with beautifully landscaped gardens, tranquil seating areas, and an elegant swimming pool. The seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces creates a luxurious lifestyle designed for relaxation and entertaining. Thank you for joining us on today's luxury home tour. If you enjoyed this incredible, modern, futuristic, brutalist residence, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite part in the comments below. We'll see you in the next inspiring home tour, only on Sephia Spaces.